Hi, in this video we'll discuss whether one should have or one should not have any strong views against a topic. Well, it's definitely not wrong to have strong views for or against a topic. However, what's strongly recommended is that you must always do an objective analysis of the topic. What we mean by objective analysis is that you must weigh in both the positives as well as the negatives, that is, the pros as well as cons of any topic mentioned in the group discussion. So what this means is that you must have an unemotional perspective towards the topic and must state all your views very objectively. Now this also translates into not expressing an extreme stance towards the topic right at the beginning of the discussion. It's okay to take an extreme stance towards the latter half, in the second half of the discussion, but you must never take an extreme stance at the beginning of the discussion. So let's take a look at a video where a participant in a GD takes an extreme stance right at the beginning of the discussion.
Discuss topic on whether we increase the fashion in our India or not. I think I am in favor of increase the fashion in India. As we all know that our parents, our grandpa wear dhoti kurta or just salwar kameez.
Yeah, that depends actually. No? Means
As we saw in this video, the candidate took a stand right at the beginning of the discussion. So if you do that, you come across as somebody who's very strongly opinionated. However, on the other hand, what you must try to do in a group discussion is come across as somebody who's very balanced and who takes an unemotional and a very objective view towards things. So remember, it's not about having or not having strong views about a particular topic. It's about how you express your opinion. It's about how balanced, in how balanced a way you present your opinion. That is what is more important. For example, if you're given a topic that's close to your heart, for example, if the topic of the discussion is should Sachin Tendulkar retire from one-day internationals or not, then you must not answer vehemently right at the beginning. For example, you should not say, oh, absolutely not, Sachin Tendulkar should not retire from ODIs right now. Or on the other hand, you should not say, oh, absolutely, it's high time that he retired from one-day internationals. Because if you do that, you take a very strong opinionated stance right at the beginning. Instead, you should weigh in the factors, the recent happenings, the recent form of the batsman, and other such factors, and put in a very balanced overall objective view of the topic without being carried away.